What's something people don't know about essential oils? They can be super affordable. Let's dive in. First off, did you know you can make your own essential oils at home? Yep, all you need are some fresh herbs and a carrier oil. Simply crush the herbs, mix with the oil, and let it sit for a few days. Voila, homemade essential oils. Another great tip: buy in bulk. It's cheaper, and you can split the costs with friends. Plus, it means stocking up for months. And don't forget those discount stores and online sales. Larger bottles. When possible, buy larger bottles, like 30 milliliters or 100 milliliters of essential oils. They often cost less per milliliter than the smaller 5 milliliter or 10 milliliter bottles. Look for sets or kits that include a variety of oils. These can often be more affordable than buying individual bottles. Prioritize versatile oils. Certain essential oils are incredibly versatile and can serve multiple purposes, reducing the need for a wide range of oils. Lavender, used for relaxation, skin care, headaches, and even cleaning. Peppermint, great for headaches, nausea, and as a refreshing room spray. Tea tree can be used for cleaning, skin care, and as an insect repellent. Lemon has cleaning, mood-lifting, and skin-brightening benefits. Choose quality, not just price. While it's tempting to opt for cheaper oils, be cautious of poor quality. Low-quality oils may be diluted or adulterated, which can affect their efficacy and safety. Look for reputable brands that offer pure essential oils, and check for certifications like organic or therapeutic grade. Use oil diffusers efficiently. When using an essential oil diffuser, you don't need to fill it with a lot of oil. A few drops, 3 to 5, are often enough to get the benefits, so using oils in moderation can make them last longer. Use oils in multiple ways skin care. A few drops of essential oil can be added to your moisturizer or body lotion. Homemade cleaning products. You can make your own disinfecting spray with vinegar, water, and a few drops of essential oils like tea tree or lemon. Aromatherapy. Simply add a few drops to a cotton ball or tissue to inhale. DIY blends. Instead of purchasing expensive pre-blended oils, consider making your own. Many oils can be mixed to create unique scents or benefits, giving you more value from a smaller collection of oils. For example, blend lavender with peppermint for relaxation and focus. Avoid overbuying. Start with a few essential oils and use them in different ways until you're sure that you want to expand your collection. Essential oils have a long shelf life, but it's still best to avoid buying too many at once. By focusing on quality, versatility, and efficient usage, you can make the most out of your essential oils while sticking to your budget.